Chapter number 5. I am up and down and round and round. Listen. Chapter number 5. I am up and down and round and round. Actually, this chapter is about circle. This chapter is about a circle. Please listen here. Close your copy and listen. 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 Suppose a point is given and the name of this point be O. This point is O. And from this point, we can mark number of points, infinite number of points. We can mark infinite number of points on this plane here, which is a plane board. This board is the plane. Here, this board is the plane. Wall is also plane. A floor is the plane. Book is a plane. At different planes. Here, board is the plane. Here, board is the plane. And on this plane, draw a point, mark a point, a fixed point, that is O. That fixed point is O. That fixed point is O. That fixed point is O. From this fixed point, we can mark infinite number of points around this point O, which is at equal distance from this point. Which is at equal distance from this point A. All these points are at equal distance from the given point O. The given point O means this distance, take any point. All these distances are equal. All these distances are equal. Then the set of all these points on the plane that are equidistant from a given point on that plane is called circle. That is called a circle. And that satisfies the condition, all this point is called locus. Is called locus. ये point का पूरा path है ना? The path of this point, एक line join कर दो. This is what? Locus. And this locus is called what here? Circle. The locus of all the points which are equidistant from the given point is called circle. The locus of the points that are equidistant from a given point is called circle. Is called circle. So this is a circle. Definition of circle clear? Set of points on the plane. Set of points on the plane. Set of points on the plane that are equidistant. That are equidistant. What is equidistant? Equal distance from a given point. What is the given point here? O. From a given point, that given point is O. Equidistant. And where is the point O? The same plane, on that plane. On that plane. The set of all points on a plane that are equidistant, from a given point on the plane is called circle. That is the definition of circle. And that all the points that satisfy the given condition is called locus. That is called locus. And that fixed point is called center. That fixed point here, it is called center. The fixed point is called center. So actually the circle that is made up of a large number of points, infinite number of points, and all these points are at equal distances from a given point. And that given point here it is called center. That given point here it is called center. Yeah, the circle that is made up of a large number of points, infinite number of points. But all these points are equal distance from the given point. Equal distance from the given point. Clear? That locus of the point is called what? Circle. That locus of the point is called, the locus of the point that are equidistant from a given point is called circle. Is called circle. What is circle? Clear? What is circle? What is circle? The set of all the points on the plane that are equidistant from a given point on that plane. On that plane. The set of points that are equidistant, the set of points on the plane that are equidistant from a given point, that are equidistant from a given point on that plane. That point is also lying on the same plane. Clear? So section, what is circle? What is circle? The set of points on the plane that are equidistant from a given point, that are equidistant from a given point, and that point is also lying on the same plane. That is called circle. That is called circle. So what is circle? Clear definition. And this fixed point here it is called center. And all the point that satisfy the given condition is called locus. That is called locus. The path here. Yeah? And the path of the point is here it is a circle. Here it is called circle. Okay, clear? Now listen. A circle is given. In this circle, this point is called center. Actually, this circle is made up of large number of points, infinite number of points. What is the condition? That all the points are equidistant from the given point. At that given point here it is called center. That given point is called center. And O is called center. Now, the distance from the center of the circle, the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, to any point on the circle is called radius, So this point A is where? On the circle. This point is where? B, outside the circle. C, A, O, where? Inside the circle. B, outside the circle. C, A, on the circle. So the distance of any point on the circle from the center is called radius. What is radius? The distance of any point where? On the circle. The distance of any point on the circle from the center is called radius. What is radius? The distance of any point on the circle from the center is called radius. What is radius? From the center is called radius. What is radius? The distance of any point on the circle from the center is called radius. What is radius? Clear? Again, a circle is given and O is the center. And this circle is made up of large number of means infinite number of points which are equidistant from the center. Equidistant from the center or the given point. That point is also called, that point is called center. That point is called center. And what is radius? Clear? What is radius? The distance of any point on the circle from the center is called radius. What is radius, Anika? What is radius? The distance of any point from the center. The distance of any point from the center. Any point on the circle from the center. What is radius? From the center is called radius. Now listen. Now take any point, any 2 points on the circle. Take any 2 points on the circle, not outside, not inside, where? On the circle. How many points? 2. Now join these 2 points with the help of a line segment. This is a line segment. Line segment. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. Is called chord. What is the name of this? Chord. What is the chord? Clear? The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle, not outside, not inside. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. In a circle, name the largest chord. Diameter. Which is the largest chord of the circle? Diameter. That passes through the center. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called? The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So this is a diameter. It is called diameter. Is diameter a chord? Yes. Diameter is also a chord, but largest chord, the largest chord of the circle. Which is the largest chord of the circle? Diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called. And what is diameter? The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called. What is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is equal to double of radius. देखो, what is this? Radius. It is also radius. ये दोनों ऐड किया तो क्या होगा? Diameter. So diameter is equal to twice of radius. So what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is equal to double the radius or twice the radius. Twice of radius is called what? Diameter. What is diameter? Here, the chord that passes through the center is called diameter. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called. Diameter is also the largest chord. Which is the largest chord of the circle? Diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. And the line that passes through the circle, कितना भी extend कर सकते हैं. Here no end point. If the end points are on the circle, is called chord. It is called chord, but it is not a chord. Here end point is not on the circle, outside the circle. It is called a line that passing through the circle is called, anyone? A line that passing through the circle is called. A line that passing through the circle is called secant. Is called secant. What is secant? The line that passing through the, if the end point of the secant is on the circle, it is called chord. If the end point is outside the circle, then it is called secant. What is secant? Clear? A line that passing through the circle is called. अगर हमें secant को ना ऊपर शिफ्ट कर देना, देखो एक secant ड्रॉ कर दिया मैं, ये secant. What is this? Secant. This is secant. इसको इधर से शिफ्ट कर, देखो ऊपर 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 शिफ्ट कर दिया, can shift. Then this secant touches the circle only at one point. Thus, this secant touches the circle only at one point. देखो एक पॉइंट में टच कर रहा है, इस पॉइंट में टच कर रहा है. Then it is called tangent. It is called tangent. So what is tangent? Clear? A line that touches the circle only at one point is called tangent. A line that touches the circle only at one point is called. A line that passing through the circle is called. If the line segment drawn from the end point of the circle is called, on the circle is called chord. And the largest chord of the circle is called. What is diameter? The chord that passing through the center of the circle. The chord that passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. What is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is equal to twice of radius. Diameter is equal to twice of radius. The different parts of circle clear? The first one, center, a fixed point, a fixed point of the circle. And what is the radius? The distance from any point on the circle from the center. The distance of any point from the, any point on the circle from the center is called radius. And the line joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. And the chord that passing to the center is called diameter. A line that passing through the circle is called secant. A line that touches the circle only at one point is called tangent. So tangent touches the circle only at one point. Very important. Only at one point. The basis on question से 10th class में, ठीक है? Tangent का पूरा एक chapter पूरा tangent होता है, ठीक है? What is tangent? What is tangent? The line that touches the circle only at one point. The line that touches the circle only at one point is called tangent. What is tangent? What is tangent, Saksham? What is tangent? That line that touches the circle only at one point. The line that touches the circle only at one point is called tangent. What is secant? The line that passing through the circle. What is diameter? A chord that passing through the center of the circle. What is chord? The line joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. The largest chord of the circle is called diameter. What is the name of this part? O is the center, so this is OA is called radius. And OB is called the radius. दोनों इक्वल होगा, है ना? कोई भी सर्कल का रेडियस हमेशा क्या होगा? इक्वल है. So radii of the circle are equal. Radii, plural of radius is radii, है ना? radiuses नहीं होता है, radii होता है, ठीक है? सेम वे फोकस का प्लूरल क्या होता है? फोसी, है ना? फोसी. सेम वे रेडियस के क्या होता है? Radii. So radii of same circle are equal. डिफरेंट नहीं है, सेम सर्कल है. डिफरेंट सर्कल तो डिफरेंट होगा ना, इसका रेडियस सेम होगा, ठीक है, डिफरेंट होगा. रेडियाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल आर इक्वल. रेडियाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल आर इक्वल. क्लियर है? रेडियाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल आर इक्वल. एंड what is this AB? Chord. AB is called chord. AB is called chord. है ना? Next, this region, ये वाला region है. This region of the circle, next chapter में इसका पूरा इसका basis होता है. Question perimeter and area is based on this one. ठीक है? This part of the circle is called sector. Is called this region, this plane of the surface is called sector. और ऊपर वाला पार्ट है ना, that is also sector. But ये कौन सा सेक्टर है? माइनर सेक्टर. दिस इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेक्टर. और द रिमेनिंग पार्ट कौन सा होता है? ये मेजर सेक्टर. मेजर सेक्टर. ये लेंथ है ना, ये भी, ये वाला ACB. ACB is called minor arc. Minor arc represented by, देखो, ACB is called minor arc. And ADB, this is symbol of arc, is called major arc. So what is minor sector, major sector, clear? Or what is minor arc and major arc? ये भी clear है सबको? Arc, that is a part of the circle. And a region, a part of the region of the circle is called sector. A part of the region, a plane surface. Next. O, A, B. What is OA? Radius. OB? And what is AB? Chord. ये वाला part, this region of the circle. एक सर्कल के पीस होता है ना ये. This is the part of the circle, a piece of the circle. This piece of the circle is called segment. ये कौन सा सेगमेंट होता है? माइनर होता है, मेजर होता है? माइनर. ये रिमेनिंग पार्ट कौन सा होता है? मेजर. दिस इज माइनर सेगमेंट. माइनर सेगमेंट. सो दिस आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल. ये क्लियर है? एक बार नोट कर दो. द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल. राइट ऑन द चैप्टर नेम. चैप्टर नंबर 5. I am up and down and round and round. I don't. Point लिख दो. First point. A circle is the set of all points on the plane that are equidistant from a given point that are equidistant from a given point on that plane. That are equidistant from a given point on that plane. Yeah. Next point. The set of points. The set of points satisfy a given condition is called locus of points. Locus of points that satisfy the condition. Locus of points that satisfy the condition. Next point. The given point in the circle is that point is the center. I don't. The given point in the circle is the center of the circle. Next point. The distance from the center to any point. The distance from center to any point on the circle. The distance from any point on the circle. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Next. The line segment, next point. The line segment joining the 2 points. The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle is called chord. Next point. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. Next. Next item. A line, not a line segment, है ना? Line का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning difference between line and line segment? Line segment has 2 end points, but line has no end points. What is the difference between line and ray? Ray has 1 end point and other end is not terminate, non-terminating. Next. A line passing through the circle a line passing through the circle is called secant. A line passing through the circle is called secant. Next, a line, next point, a line that touches the circle only at one point. A line that touches the circle only at one point is called tangent. Is called tangent. Now draw a circle and mark all this with the help of compass. In all classes, you should now let it bring compass, pencil, scale. Draw the last figure. Mark chord, diameter, secant, tangent. Next question. What is the relation between diameter and radius? What is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is equal to twice of radius. Diameter is equal to twice of radius. Next. What is the name of the largest chord of the circle? What is the name of the largest chord of the circle? Answer? Diameter. Also draw these two figures and mark all this. These two figures, both figures. Listen. Suppose two triangles given, okay? Two triangles. These are the two triangles. A, B, C and D, E, F. Two triangles given. We can prove these two triangles congruent by 5 methods. है ना? किया था 8th class में किया था ना? ठीक है. What are the different methods to prove these two triangles congruent? The first one, in this two triangle, three sides are equal. These three sides are equal. So we can say triangle ABC means triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. First method, S S congruency. S S का मतलब क्या? Side, side, side. Three sides of the triangles are equal given है. Means AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF, and AC equal to EF. The three sides of a triangle are equal. So we can say these two triangles are congruent by S congruency. If two triangles are congruent, then we can say the remaining parts of the circle are also equal. What are the remaining parts here? This angle and this angle. Three sides already equal given a question में. Three sides equal given है. Remaining parts कौन से इसमें? Angle A and angle D. So angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B equal to angle E, or angle C equal to angle F by CPCT. By CPCT. Which condition? What is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of, and corresponding parts कौन सा है? A और D, B or E, C or F. Clear? So we can say these two triangles are congruent by using CPCT. Second condition है S side angle side angle side congruency. Side angle देखो ये साइड है, ये साइड इक्वल गिवन है, फिर ये एंगल है, ये एंगल इक्वल गिवन है, और ये साइड AC और DF. ये दो साइड यूज किया मैं, इसके बीच में ना एंगल आ रहा है. देखो दो साइड के बीच में एंगल है, देखो दो साइड के बीच में एंगल है. देन वी कैन अप्लाई व्हिच कंडीशन? SAS. Third by using ASA. जो एंगल है उसके बीच का साइड है. देखो एंगल ए एंगल डी इक्वल गिवन है, एंगल बी और एंगल ई, इन दोनों के बीच का साइड कौन सा है? ए बी और डी ई. ए बी इक्वल गिवन है, ए बी और डी ई. सो वी कैन से दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर congruent. These two triangles are congruent. Fourth, AS. एंगल साइड. ये एंगल है, इसके बाद साइड आ रहा है. ये एंगल है, ये साइड. नहीं तो ये एंगल इसके बाद साइड आ रहा है. ये दो एंगल के बीच में साइड है, क्लियर डिफरेंस, और ये दो एंगल के बाद साइड आ रहा है. क्लियर? सो वी कैन से दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर congruent. Fourth is possible in the case of right angle triangle, that is RHS. कौन सा कंडीशन है? R का मतलब राइट का मतलब 90, H का मतलब हाइपोटेन्यूस, S का मतलब साइड. एक एंगल 90 होना चाहिए, हाइपोटेन्यूस इक्वल होना चाहिए, और एक साइड भी इक्वल है. सो वी कैन से दिस टू राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इज congruent. Right angle triangle is congruent by which condition? RHS. If any two triangles are congruent by using this condition, the corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. Remaining parts हमेशा equal होगा. Remaining parts are always equal. Remaining parts are always equal. So different methods clear to prove congruent. Same way, two circles congruent given है. Two circles congruent. इसी का कॉपी कर दिया. अगर मैं कॉपी किया तो इन दोनों का क्या सेम होगा? रेडियस. दोनों का रेडियस सेम होगा, है ना? द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कल सेंटर O. दिस सर्कल सेंटर इज O डैश, और इसका रेडियस इज R, और इसका रेडियस इज R. सेम रेडियस. इफ टू सर्कल्स आर सेम रेडियाई, देन द टू सर्कल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. अगर टू सर्कल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, इसका मतलब क्या है? The radii are equal. Radii are equal. If two circles are congruent, then their radii are equal. Very, very important point. Radii are equal. Two circles are congruent का मतलब क्या होगा? दोनों का रेडियस इक्वल होगा. Two circles, different circles given है, दोनों का रेडियस इक्वल है. So we can say what? That two circles are congruent. A circle of radius 2 centimeter. This is a circle of 3 centimeter. Congruent है? Why? Not congruent because the radius are not equal. ये 5 centimeter, ये 10 by 2 centimeter. Equal है. क्यों? 5. 10 by 2 is also 5. ठीक है? 10 by 2 is also 5. So both are congruent. Both are congruent. Same radii. Then we can say what? The two circles are congruent. The two circles are congruent. ये clear है? ये भी note कर दो दोनों. Draw a circle of any radius. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. A, B is the chord. A, B is the chord of the circle. Why it is a chord? Because end points of this line segment is on the circle. If one point is on the circle, other is inside the circle, not a chord. दोनों किधर आना चाहिए? On the circle. Both points are on the circle, then the line segment joining these 2 points are called chord. Now listen. From the point A, we can draw a line to the center. A और O join किए हम. Chords. ध्यान से सुनो. From the point A, A is the end points of the chord. A and B are the end points of the chord. From one end, draw a line segment where? To the center. And where is the other end here? B. From B also draw a line segment. Then it makes this two line segment makes an angle at the center. Makes an angle at the center. देखो, this two makes an angle at the center. What is the name of this angle? AOB. What is the name of this angle? AOB. This is called angle subtended by the chord. Chord where? At the center. At the center. So write down angle AOB is the angle subtended by the chord at the center. Here AOB. AOB is the angle subtended by chord. Which chord? AB. Where? At the center. At the center. Yes, CD. What is CD? Chord. How to draw angle subtended by the chord CD at the center? From C, first draw a line segment where? To the center. Join C and O. Next, joins D and O. What is the name of the angle subtended at the center? COD. COD. The COD is the angle subtended by the chord CD where? At the center. Angle subtended by the chord CD at the center. ये भी ड्रॉ कर दो. Angle subtended by a COD is the angle subtended by the chord CD at the center. Angle subtended by the chord CD at the center. Clear? Clear steps clear? Angle subtended by the chord CD at the center. Clear? So to find the angle subtended at the center from the end point of the chord, draw two line segments where at the center. Then find the angle. Clear? Then find the angle. Clear? A question पूछा आपसे. If the chord of the circle is equal to radius, if the chord of the circle is equal to radius, if the chord of the circle is equal to radius, what is the value of the angle subtended at the center? If the chord of the circle is equal to radius, what is the value of the angle subtended at the center? Anyone? Very good. Section 60 degree. 60 degree. Why? Chord of a circle. देखो ये chord AB है, ये AB है, ये किसकी इक्वल है? रेडियस है. ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी इक्वल होगा. इसका मतलब क्या है? All the three sides are equal. It is called equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. So what is the angle subtended at the center? 60 degree. ध्यान रखना MCQ में. If the chord of a circle is equal to radius, what is the angle subtended at the center? 60 degree. Write one question. If the chord of a circle is equal to radius, if the chord of a circle is equal to radius, then what is the value of angle subtended at the center? What is the value of angle subtended at the center? Answer? 60 degree. Reason clear है सबको? Reason clear? Because it becomes an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree.